അടിപൊളി. Hi friends, Malayalam New Year, which we also call Vishu, is just around the corner. That's why I thought today's recipe will be the Vishu special dish that Malayalis call Olan. Ingredients: 300 grams of red pumpkin cut into thin squares, 100 grams of black-eyed peas soaked overnight, salt for taste, and 1 cup of coconut milk. Take a cooker and put the peas with the required amount of water and pressure cook it up to 3 whistles. Meanwhile, transfer the pumpkin into a steel vessel. Add water up to the level of pumpkin and let it cook on a medium to low flame. Once the pumpkin is partly cooked, add the required amount of salt to it. Now the pumpkin is completely cooked. Switch off the flame and remove it from heat. Meanwhile, the peas have also cooked completely. Add the required amount of salt to this and mix well. Mash it very slightly with your ladle. Now transfer the cooked peas and the cooked pumpkin into a kadai and mix them well. Keep it on the stove on a medium to low heat and let it boil. Once it boils and the water evaporates a little, add the coconut milk to the mixture. This is an optional step. If you prefer not to add coconut milk, then you can switch off the flame here itself by adding 1 spoon of coconut oil. Transfer to a serving bowl and serve this Olan hot for your Vishu Sadya. That's all for today, friends. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like, share and comment. Hit the subscribe button to be notified whenever a new video comes up. Thanks for watching.